Oh my god, I'm so hot right now. Like, what the heck? Guys, it's kinda late at night. Is that someone coming? Help me. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be trying to do that trick, where you take let me just go to the this. Hopefully it's, hey, that's the person that I met from, oh yeah, oh well. I don't even have enough. Wow, that's sad. Okay. You take a turquoise swing and you pretend that it's the glitched wing and AJ. Pretend that it's this one. I'm pretty sure this is the glitched one. Maybe not. Yeah, you can tell the difference. Like, completely. But you know, so we're gonna just be, I don't know, playing some games until we can, wait, how much is it? Oh, okay, I forget how much it is. Let me see. Oh, 1,000. That shouldn't be too hard. Wait. Maybe I should just recycle some stuff. Which I have 7. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, that's. What is this worth? Like, I don't know. That's what's in there. Oh, that's only 300. I think I should have enough. What else? I don't want to get rid of those because that's my friendship stuff. Like, with my friend and stuff, you know. But I'm running out of items to, you know, recycle. That's sad. How much do I have? 800 for? I don't need that. But that won't give me enough. I don't need that either. Okay. Okay, I have enough now. Yay. Now we can actually do it. Wait, is it that one or? Then I think it's the darker one. You know, I don't know. Do I have 2 of these? Oh, no. What are these worth? I have no idea what those are. Okay. What is? That's, okay. Which, wow. Okay. So it doesn't, ugh. Oh, no one's here. Let's go to Aladdin. glitch. What? Okay. Also. Oh, okay. Let's see, that's the glitch doing. Okay, no, okay. People are probably gonna like block me or something. Hopefully they don't. Did you guys just see that? Dude, that's a good one. Wait, me? Oh, good. Who's at my den? I have to change it to a small house just so I can see the people at my den. Who's at my den? Okay. Is this that person? Hello. Gotta go to people. Bye. I am at my home. I mean, yeah. No, don't worry. I'm not gonna get to it. Don't worry, guys. I'm not actually gonna accept this for trades if I actually. Should I join them? I'll do an eagle adventure later. I mean, the Forgotten Desert later. Okay. Oh my gosh, seriously? Dude, stop. I'm not picky. You know, okay. Hopefully no one else said. But okay, no one. Well, this isn't working. I'll come back if I get another message or get a trade, okay? Oh my gosh, are they actually gonna do this? Okay, good. No, I'm recording. Stop, okay. What? Okay, anyways, yeah. I think I accidentally pressed 6. Yeah, anyways, so I'll come back when I get a date or something. The thing I'm scamming. Excuse me, person, but I am, kind of recording. Hold on, let me just tell them my channel name. It's night chat, okay? Okay, person, okay? Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video. This is a fail. Okay, well, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video, which will be tonight. I forgot that it's literally 12. No, it's 1:50. No, it's 11:56. I thought it was 1. Oh my gosh. I'm tired. Okay, well, bye guys. This has been boring and my parents are probably gonna hear me. Okay, bye.